When you add technology to your manufacturing process, it just helps to turn more of a profit in a relatively short amount of time.
When Steve came to us, they had an interesting challenge. They're in a relatively rural area, so labor was one of the challenges that they had. Consistency was another one. While they have an employee that is fantastic at manual spraying, they needed a way to automate it because their production and manufacturing requirements had increased.
Our spraying process was very hard work. It was a very intricate process. We laid out all the pieces. We had to go around each one spraying by hand. We had to wait for them to dry. There was lots of time consumed in the process to get a piece ready.
The task at hand was for Cefla to devise a solution, an integrated finishing solution that would allow them to not only automate the spraying portion of the application of their coatings, but then also cure those coatings in a continuous workflow.
When we're building these lockers, we want everything to look the same and everything to look as close to perfect as we can. With this spray machine, we're able to get a consistent, perfect finish every time.
This has really been a game changer. When we do a large job, like usually there's 100 lockers involved, and for us to spray those out by hand, it would literally take us a month. Last week, we were able to do an entire job of about 120 lockers, start to finish.
With the implementation of the Cefla Prima and the Unidry curing system that we built in the United States, we're actually able to speed up their manufacturing and finishing process by approximately 4 to 5 times over what they were currently doing by hand in the past.
Customer service with Cefla is above and beyond. Our technician that set up the machine, he is pretty much on call for me at any time.
It's an honor to have the opportunity to work with them and see how they grow and improve their businesses by the use of the different finishing technology that we've been able to implement.
If I had an opportunity to do things over again, I probably would have purchased something like this sooner than what I did.